The National Investigation Agency personnel are conducting raids at 9 locations in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir in a case linked to terror activities. Personnel from security forces are deployed at 9 different locations while the NIA teams are conducting the raid, is what we're told at the moment. The raids are currently underway. My colleague Neeta Sharma is tracking the latest developments for us. She joins us live at the moment. Neeta, what details can you share with us currently?
Yes, 9 locations are being raided. It's an old case, pertains to, the funding as far as stone pelting or the idea of separatism is concerned. NIA had already filed a charge sheet way back in 2022 and they have claimed the raids pertain to that. 9 locations are being raided, which includes Srinagar, Pulwama, Shopian and also Anantnag. As far as the case is concerned, the NIA claims that all the premises of the cadres and sympathizers of the newly floated organizations, which include the Resistance Front, the United Liberation Front of Jammu and Kashmir, Mujahideen, Ghazwat-ul-Hind and Jammu and Kashmir Freedom Fighters and Kashmir Tigers, are among the places which are being raided. Earlier also NIA had raided these organizations way back in 2023. That time also they had said that they have got a lot of evidence pertaining to how the money was being routed to Valley to instigate violence, to instigate the idea of separatism. So the raids being carried out today are part of that only, part of that case only. And also NIA claims that they have been regularly recovering. We have seen from cross-border the kind of narcotics and the kind of weapons and arms and ammunition which are being smuggled, the drones which are being operating. Border Security Force has been continuously on that effort, and recently last week also some drones were recovered from Punjab border also. So this is an ongoing exercise. That's what NIA claims, and today 9 locations are being raided by them in the terror funding case.
Thank you so much for joining us with the latest developments.